Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then select Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. Enter your current login method and tap on Delete button. Finally, hit Delete in the pop-up. And as you can see, after that, my password was successfully deleted from Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!